Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this screencast, we are going to learn how to draw the measurement model. It's very exciting. We have reached to this point where we are going to draw now our own model. So the right way to do it is to activate the latent variable tool, come over to the canvas and click and drag. After that, we simply click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to add our indicators. That's why I mentioned you should use this tool instead of trying to draw the observed and unobserved variables manually. What we want to do now, we want to rotate the key indicators. So if you remember, we have the rotate indicators of a latent variable tool. We activate it and we click. That's nice, right? So if you remember from our conceptual framework, we have 5 subconstructs. So if we go back to Amos, we need another 4 more subconstructs. Do we start drawing again from the beginning? Or is there a way to copy those subconstructs? The first thing we want to do, we want to use the move tool. So we click move objects. Pay attention that we are using select all. So we have selected the model in our canvas. So using the move tool, I move it up. And to make copies of it, I click on the duplicate objects icon. I come over to my subconstruct. I click, hold, and then I drag outside. So I need another 2 more, so we can make 5. So now I have 5 subconstructs, same as in the conceptual framework. Take a few moments to answer this question. Now what we want to do, we want to draw the covariances between these subconstructs. So you go to this icon and you click draw covariances. The reason why we draw covariances is because from our hypothesized model, we know that those subconstructs share something together. So they have something in common or they have a commonality. So we click to connect the subconstructs and we have to make sure to connect all of them. Now that we have connected all the subconstructs, you see that our measurement model is outside of the canvas. There is one quick way to fix that. If you remember, we have resized the path to fit the page. You would also notice that we have some of the items here not aligned properly. So if I were to deselect all objects, one quick way of doing it is to click, select one object at a time, and come over here, click and hold your mouse and scroll down through this. So you can select multiple objects at a time. So I'm clicking and holding. So now I go to the move tool, move the objects, and I can align it. And then I click deselect all. Now there is one more important step that we need to do. We need to make sure that the indicators in our measurement model match the items in our instrument. So for security, we have 5 items, which is good. But for etiquette, we only have 4. So we go back to our model. We go to the erase object and we delete. And make sure to also delete the error term. We look back. We have 5 items for commerce, which is good. We have 5 items for well-being health. And we have 4 items for responsibility. So we go to the last one. That was it. in the next topic, we are going to learn how to label our measurement model.